Hi guys.
Hi.
Hi guys. Did you, Amaira, what was your question, Amaira? What was your question, Amaira? You're muted and you're talking, ma.
What question?
You had a question in classroom, right?
Yeah, you can check it.
No. What was the question you had? Oh, I had attached the PDF. You saw that afterwards, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, see, sometimes I miss things, so please ask and then I'll come back as well. So
Okay.
that happens rarely, but then last week I did see somebody asked, and that's why I went and attached the PDF.
Okay. I
Okay.
didn't see the PDF, so.
You didn't see the PDF?
Mm-mm.
Okay. Okay. Immediately, meaning otherwise ping me in WhatsApp, ma.
Okay.
Okay, we don't miss homework usually.
Okay.
Okay, somehow somebody pings me in WhatsApp and then I get notified. Okay, but I saw this time in classroom itself, I saw and added it.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah, I did. I didn't see many of your homework. That was worrying. Okay. Can we move on? Ritika. It's not in her class. 1 second. Okay, guys, let's go ahead.
I did my mom's nails. Nice. I want to do your nails at one point.
Oh my god, yes.
I honestly do not.
You see the board, guys?
Oh, give me a minute.
Okay.
Sweaty.
So, you might have done the homework, but we are going to do this one.
I'm not going to judge
What
you.
is. I will continue with the same parent functions.
Don't worry, I did the jobs after this week. No, literally.
But looks like you did the homework, right, Mamaira? Amaira, you already did the homework, right?
Oh, yeah, I did.
So you saw the PDF, right?
Yeah, I did. A thing about it was that, when I had to reload it a couple of times, because, like, the PDF was coming, like, scratchy. It was, like, misformed.
Did you open it in Word?
No, Word isn't an option on my computer.
Okay,
It's
so
only
what
for
did you
Google.
what did you open it with?
Google Docs.
No, you should not. If you open it in Google Docs, it won't work. It's a PDF file.
Okay.
You see, you can edit the PDF. If you want, you can edit the PDF. Otherwise, what do I do? Okay, I'll show you. Okay, that's a good question though. Okay, so how did you end up doing the homework then?
Huh? I just looked at the like the PDF thing and I
PDF.
wrote it on a piece of paper.
No, you have written on the PDF, right?
No.
UMM is you, right?
No.
Oh, that's the deal. Okay, who is UMM? I was thinking UMM is you. Okay, interesting. Okay, okay, piece of paper. That's absolutely fine. You can use Cam Scanner and put it back. Put it back to the Google Classroom. Does that help?
Yeah.
Okay, now let me go ahead and show you here. See, this is one homework that's done. This is one way of doing it. Here, see? See, they have directly written it here. You see? They would have used a stylus and wrote it here. You got it? PDF should not be opened in docs. Okay, another way of doing it is, there was one another. See here. This is absolutely fine. You see, I'm able to understand every bit of it. You see? This is perfect. They use cam scanner. See here? They use cam scanner. Okay, that creates a PDF for you and you can upload it. Make sense?
Yeah, okay.
Okay. So can we go ahead with the class? Let's see. Let's go ahead and do this. Okay, I'm going to discuss this with you guys. Okay, you all know what is this function? What is this function? Any thoughts? This was a linear function. This was a quadratic function, right? X squared, y equal to x. Then this
Grandy,
was a
I can't
cubic function.
see
Huh?
what you're writing.
What? You're not able to see what I'm writing?
Yeah, I only see the pencil moving.
What, Ma?
I only see your pencil moving, but I don't see, like,
You're able to see now?
yeah, I can see now.
What is this function y equal to x? What is this function y equal to x square? What is this function? What is this function, guys?
Cubic?
Yeah. Krishav, did you work on this function, Krishav?
Yeah.
What is that function?
Absolute value.
Y equal to absolute value of x. And what other function did I give you? What is this? Anybody, guys? Ananya, do you know?
Square root?
Yep. Nice. Now, how about we go ahead and let's do this one. Let me go back to your. We'll continue this and we'll go to transformations. Okay. So let me go ahead and do, instead of me drawing on the board, right? I don't want to draw it on the board. Hold on. Because I want to cover all the properties. You should know, as I draw functions, you should know what each function stands for. As we move through, that's so important. How about this? How about this? What is this function, guys? This is the only one that I discussed in the other class. So what function is this? Do you all know? I'm going to write out the table for you to find out, okay? X, Y, you're going to find what function is this, okay? So let's see. Let's try this. Minus 27, minus 9. Oh my gosh, what is that? Minus 9. No, I don't think so. Minus 8, minus 1, 0, 1, 8, 27. Minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. What is this, guys? Y equal to what? I gave you the x and y values. Any thoughts? Ananya, why don't you help me? Y equal to
Cube root.
how?
Cube root.
Cube root. Good job, Dhruv. Cube root of x. So, name of the function is cube root. Equation is y equal to cube root of x. Domain is, what is the domain? You guys can help me. We'll do one more as a review, right? Krishav, you want to help me, Krishav?
Negative infinity is less than x. This is less than
Yeah,
infinity.
less than infinity. Yeah, because it goes from minus infinity to plus infinity. Range, the same thing. Symmetry, how about the symmetry? Who can answer? I don't want to pick by name. You guys, please.
Origin.
Yeah, symmetric about the origin. So it is an odd function. Interval of increasing is all over, right? All over. From here to here, I see it only increasing. Minus infinity to infinity, decreasing, not applicable. Zeros is
No, the or
0, 0. Intercepts is 0, 0. Y-intercepts. Any asymptotes? No, none. End behavior. Let me write it here. End behavior as x tends to minus infinity, y tends to
minus infinity.
minus infinity, as x tends to plus infinity, y tends to,
Plus infinity.
yep, that's it. You got it, guys? Yeah. And two other functions I gave an intro to. One is rational odd, one is rational even. Why are we discussing all this? It will really make your job so much easier when school reopens. Okay. Knowing the basic functions really lessens your work when school reopens. Okay. So as soon as I draw, you should be able to say what is that function. Coming to this one, right? Let me write down the table, then you can find and tell me. Okay. So how about this? Minus 0.33333. Minus x is okay. Minus 2, minus 0.5, minus 1, minus 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 2.5, 3 point. What is this? 3 is a 0.333, 2 is a 0.5, 1 is a 1, 0.5 is a 2. For that matter, if I say 0.5, it's a 2. What is this function? Thoughts, guys? Think about the pattern. 0.5 becomes a 2, 2 becomes a 0.5. What is the function, guys? Amira, you tell me. Or Harshita, you tell me. Guess, guys. It's okay to go wrong.
Like a rational parent function.
Correct. So what is it? 2 becomes 0.5, 0.5 becomes 2. Wait. 0 is undefined. I'm so sorry. 0 is not defined.
Y is equal to 1 over x.
Yup. 1 over x. You got it? So I cannot make this as 0. So at 0, it is undefined. The operation is undefined. So this function is called rational odd function because it's symmetric about the origin. Got it? Here the main thing is when you write the domain, please minus infinity to 0, again 0 to infinity, right? Minus infinity comma 0. 0 is not included. At 0 there is a discontinuity. You see it goes to minus infinity and then from plus infinity it comes. So what you write, minus infinity to 0, 0 is not included, parenthesis, and then union. Union means this is included plus 0 to infinity is included. Here what is not included is a 0 point. Range is the same thing, minus infinity to 0, union 0 to infinity. Okay, interval of increasing, which is the interval of you guess, guys, which is the interval of increasing and decreasing? Is there an interval of increasing? Is there an interval of increasing?
No.
No, none. Interval of decreasing? Yeah, minus infinity to 0. Again, union 0 to infinity. Because everywhere it's decreasing, see? There are no zeros, no x-intercepts, no y-intercepts. Is there an asymptote? Okay, what is an asymptote? Amira, do you know what is an asymptote, ma? No, yes?
No.
No, no problem. If you don't know, then I'm here. So let me go over what is an asymptote. In algebra 1, we studied exponential function. Correct, guys? In algebra 1, we studied exponential function. So this was exponential growth function. Okay, Advait, you're going to help me next. This is an exponentially decay function, right? In both the cases, you see when the graph extends, right, it tries to merge with my x-axis, but it never merges. Similarly, decay as well, it tries to merge with the x-axis, but it never merges. It just keeps going. Nowhere it will merge even if it goes to infinity. So when a graph tries to merge with the line but never coincides, never cuts the line, then I can't say never. It usually doesn't cut the line, okay? Then that line in this exponential growth and decay graph, this line, what is the equation of this line? This is the x-axis line. What is the equation of that line? Annam, do you know what is the equation of the line?
Y is equal to 0.
That is the asymptote. That line to which the graph is trying to merge is the asymptote. Here, the asymptote is a sleeping line. So it is called the horizontal asymptote. So exponential functions have horizontal asymptotes. Am I, is that clear? So Krisham, is there an asymptote for this graph? Krisham,
Yeah, there is.
Yes, so what is that? What is the equation of that line?
X is equal to no, Y is equal to 0.
This is y equal to 0, right, ma?
Yeah.
This is x equal to 0, correct. You were correct initially. End behavior is as x tends to minus
Wait.
infinity.
Priya, I have a question.
Go ahead.
Wouldn't it also be like on the sleeping line because it's like because one is
Oh yeah, very nice. Yes, there is also y equal to 0. There is another asymptote. Good job, Ananya. Good catch. Okay, so this, yes, y equal to 0 is also an asymptote. This is the vertical asymptote. This is the horizontal asymptote. End behavior is very nice, Ananya. As x tends to minus infinity, y tends to 0. As x tends to plus infinity, y tends to 0. Any questions? You're going to do this exercise by yourself, guys. Give me 1 minute. I have to be back. Okay, I'll come and introduce you to this function. Give me. Sorry, guys. Okay, so this graph, I'm not going to go in detail, but it's a rational even function. Why it's a even function? Do you know?
Because it's symmetrical at the y-axis.
Symmetric about y-axis, yes. Y-axis, and the equation is y equal to 1 by x squared. Sorry, guys, I have somebody at the door. I'm so sorry.
Hello, my name's Joe. I just want to let you know my camera's on, okay? Is Grayson inside? Or Elise? Is it okay if I have a word with them? Okay, is it fine if I come in to talk to them? Thank you, I appreciate that.
Yeah, they're upstairs. Can I ask her to come here? Or
Yeah, she can come down if that's okay.
You want to sit down?
That's okay, this should be quick. Hey Elise, I just want to let you know my camera's on, alright? So I just spoke to my office and you can go wherever you want.
Sorry guys, let's go ahead.
That's okay.
So y equal to 1 by x square is the function. Any questions? You will do the homework at home. Okay, you are going to write out all the properties of this function at home. Make sense? Can I keep going?
Yeah, of course. Do you know where?
I just want to go to transformations. That's why I'm in a little bit of a hurry to go to transformations. Okay, there are more functions, like you will be doing this for rational even function, rational odd function. Make sense, guys?
Like there's two ways to
Okay.
get into the neighborhood. There's the water there's the watercolor way, and then there's the highway.
Okay, let's go ahead.
If you go from the highway,
So I'm going to note all these for you. I'm going to note whatever functions you're going to work on at home. Any questions on that? You will continue to work on parent functions. Any questions? Any questions, guys? No? Can I move on? Okay. If you have any questions on parent functions, you can ask. I can wait. Okay, let's get going. Sorry guys, okay, some problems here. Okay, let's move on. Okay, let's go ahead. So hard, Ra. Okay, now let's go ahead with what did I do in the other. It's the same thing I want to do. I want to get into transformations. Okay, suppose okay, I need to go ahead and do move the monster, right? Give me 1 second, guys. Oh, did I post that other homework in this classroom? Oh yes, I already did post the other homework in this classroom. Okay, so this homework was for this week though. Let's see. Okay, how about this? We'll just get going with this, okay? We are going to fill this function first. We'll just fill this function given h of x equal to this function. Okay, here we are going to fill this function first, and then we'll see how the function moves, how the function transforms. This is the way we are going to transform any function starting today through the year. When it comes to transformation of functions, we'll follow the same process. Okay, so x is minus 3, y value is? Dhruv, you want to say?
Yeah.
What is the y value?
For -3 for x,
Mm-hmm.
it would be 0.
Minus 1?
-3.
Yep. 0, 1, right?
Yeah.
1, 0, right?
Yeah. 2 would be 1.
Guys, I'm so sorry. Something is going on here. I need to attend to that. Give me a Sorry guys, let's move on. Totally, we have a lot of disturbances today. I'm so sorry. Number 2. For number 2, what is it?
1.
1, 3,
0.
0. Okay. So here, let's see how the function transforms. How about this? Always, whenever a function is given, we will write the parent function table first, and then we will see how the transformation works. Okay, the same table, but it's not the same function. When you think about it, this is h of x function. Okay, this is h of x plus 2. See, the same function, but then what does this plus 2 do? Let's plot the same thing. How we'll work out this? First we will plot the coordinates of the transform function. So how are we going to do that? Let's see. I don't want this to happen. So 0 minus 3, 1 0 1 0. 0 minus 3, 1 0 1 0. Give me a minute. 0 minus 3, 1 0 1 0. 0 minus 3, 1 0 1 0. Okay, now let's go ahead with this one. This is our transformed graph. Always we will do this with our function. This is just a sample we are doing. Okay, this is the transform function. Why this is the transform function? The same h of x is added with the 2. It can be added with the 2, subtracted with the 2. So there are so many transformations we are going to come across. This is the first example. This is the parent function. Same thing we'll do to our parent functions. Okay, so here let's see the process. Now the plus 2, what happens is we define a new function g of x and say, hey, I'm adding 2 to the graph of h of x. As a result, the x values remain the same. Minus 3, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. The x values remain the same. However, the y value, g of x, the y value gets added by a 2. So only the y changes. See, I'm copying the x values here. This is what we are going to do as well. Okay, so for the y value, whatever is in here, 0 will be added with the 2. Minus 3 is added to a 2. 1 is added to a 2. 0 plus 2, 1 plus 2, 0 plus 2. So now the coordinates become minus 3 comma 2. Minus 3 comma 2. Now minus 1 comma minus 1. 0 comma 3. Then 1 comma 2. Then 2 comma 3. Then 3 comma 2. Now that becomes, you see guys, how did the graph transform? Any thoughts? Guys, you can be interactive too.
It moved up 2 units.
Exactly, it moved up 2 units. See, so when I ask for a verbal description of what the change was, you'll go ahead and say up by 2 units. Any questions? Now, how about this? If I say g of x equal to h of x, this one is easy. Okay, minus 2 means what? What would happen to the graph? Which coordinate will change?
Y.
Yeah, y coordinate will change. I can quickly do that. I don't mind. It's not a waste of time. Let's do that so we are very thorough and understand the process, because this is what is the same process that we'll go through for all the 17 functions that we'll do. And the parent functions you need to be able to do by yourself. So this is going to be a minus 2. Now what happens? Y coordinate is going to change, you said, because you see this one entirely is subtracted by a 2, right? So this would be, process is going to be 0 minus 2, minus 3 minus 2, 1 minus 2, 0 minus 2, 1 minus 2, 0 minus 2. That would be minus 2, minus 5, minus 1, minus 2. Now minus 3, minus 2, minus 3, minus 2. See how it is coming down. And then minus 1, minus 5. 0, minus 1. 1, minus 2. And then 2, minus 1. 2, minus 1, 3 minus 2. This. Any questions, guys? See, the graph came down, right? Nicely. But this is the way we'll use to plot, okay? We will have a parent function. First, we'll plot the coordinates of the parent function into a graph, okay? In our parent function, right? Linear, quadratic, right? When you plot your parent function, xy coordinates, right? I will always take two negative values, two positive values and a 0 for x. Remember, when we don't know where to start, for the parent function, we'll take the x coordinates as two negative values, 0 and two positive values and start from there. Okay? Like for an example, linear function, how do I start? 0, 0, minus 1, minus 1, minus 2, minus 2, minus then plus 1, 1, 2, 2. See, two negative values, two positive values and 0 is plotted. If you take this, right, the three coordinates that you should include are xy, minus 1, 0, 0, 1, 1. You got it? Or you can even include minus 2, I'm sorry. This is how I would include. Make sense? Similarly, 2 is a 4. This is how I start plotting my parent function xy. And then for the transform function, you follow this process based on whatever you detect, right? Oh, y coordinate should be subtracted 2. Then that particular coordinate will change in the transform function. We'll do few more. Okay, now let's go ahead and do this one. How about this? Okay, how about this? Let's do this. Can we do this? What do you think about it? This is, what transformation is this? Which coordinate will change? Which coordinate is this?
It'll change the x coordinates.
Yeah, to the right or the left?
To the left.
Good job, to the left. The problem, the culprit, see, what makes it more confusing is the x. Whatever is happening inside the parenthesis, right? This can be written as h of x minus minus 2. This minus is a part of the general format, okay? This is your h value. This is all. H is your horizontal transformation, okay? Suppose g of x was h of x minus 2. Here that your h value, which is the horizontal transformation, is a positive 2. So it moves to the right. Here, the format is x minus h, okay? H was a minus 2. So it was moved to the left. Make sense? So here whatever changes inside the parenthesis, right, happens on the x coordinate. Whatever change you're going to do, meaning you see inside the parenthesis, is going to be made on the x coordinate. As a result, what will be the process here? X coordinate will be subtracted 2. Make sense? Make sense?
Yes.
This when I plot, I'll quickly plot and show you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Minus 5 is a 0. And when minus 3 is a minus 3. Minus 2 is a minus 1. Minus 1 is a 0. 0 is a 1. Something feels wrong to me. I'm not doing a great job. Minus 3 is a 3. 1, 2, 3. Minus 3 is a 3. Okay, now guys, when we plot this graph, what happens? See here. Did I do it right? I feel like, yeah, it moved. See, this point, which was on a 3, moved to a 1. Do you see? This point, which was at y equal to 1, stays at y equal to 1. However, the x point, which was at 2, the x point, which was at 2, moved to 0. Did you see that? So it moved to the left by 2 units. Any questions? Are we good? Can I move on? Okay.
Yes.
I want to show you something. There is a point here. This point is 3, 1. When this point is reflected on the x-axis, what happens? When this point is reflected on the x-axis, what happens? It becomes
3,
what?
-1.
3, -1. Which coordinate changed?
The y coordinate.
So if it is a reflection on the y-axis, you have to make a change in the y coordinate. Y coordinate negates. Any questions on this? If ever there is a y coordinate negation, it's a reflection on the x-axis. Okay? Now, this point gets reflected here. Okay? What does that become? -3, 1. Now, this was y-axis. Reflection on the y-axis, x coordinate negated. Does that make sense? For the reflection alone, it's the opposite. It wants us to be confused. Okay, for the reflection alone, the opposite coordinate, you have to make a change. Okay, now can I move on? Advait, you're following Advait?
Yeah.
Okay, now where is it? 3, number 3, 1. Okay, how about this? How about this? You're going to do this at home, the same exercise, okay? But it's going to give you a lot of inputs later on. How about this? What is this? What is the process? Who is going to tell me? H of x is our original function. H of x is our original function. So what is this? Reflection on? What coordinate negated here? What coordinate negated? See, h of x is our original function y. Okay. So what coordinate negated?
The y?
Yeah, y. H of x was the y. Y coordinate negated. So what is this process? Verbally, how will you describe this? The parent function h of x, what happened to it? Reflected on
X-axis.
x-axis. That's it. You got it. Okay. Now 1 was a 0, 0, 1. Okay. Now the process is, so what should you negate? You should negate the y. Okay. 0, you cannot put a -0 there. It has to be a 0. -3, right? So that becomes a +3. 0 was a 1, right? And then 0, 0, let me copy. The same thing I'm copying here, minus of 1, -1. So now I'm going to plot these coordinates. -3 is a 0, then -1 is a 3, -1 is a 3. Okay, and then 1 is a 0. Am I doing it right? 0 is a -1. I think that's right. And then 2 is a -1, 2 is a -1, and then 3 is a 0. Does that make sense, guys, here? Does it make sense? This V, right? Something, yeah, that V. Going down V became an up V. And then it came down, it went up. And then you had the circle, semicircle like this, you have the semicircle like this. So, see, it's a reflection on x-axis. Everything matches perfectly. Any questions? Where are you following, ma? Okay, good. Okay, can I move on? Krishiv, you're following, right? Krishiv.
Yeah, I am.
Okay, great. Okay, now this exercise you'll do at home. Okay, like this, a lot of the same h of x function, but you'll do it at home. Okay, now I have more questions. Okay, now we are going to combine. Okay, we are going to combine, but before we combine, I really want to do some more. Rather, okay, how about this? Let's try doing for. Oh, did I delete? How dare I delete it? 1 second, guys. Why did I delete? 1 second, guys. Okay, how about this? Okay, so now we are going to combine. Before we combine, I really want you to understand this. I don't know if you already know this, let's not waste time. If you don't know, then it is worth doing. Okay, so let's try this one. If you know what is this, we'll just move on, guys. Let's not waste time. Do you know what is oh, this is a problem, right? Do you know what is this function? Do you know what is this function? What is that function? What is that function, guys? Yeah, please, Ananya, you don't have to ask. You can just message and go. I will not ask you. Meaning, I'll not call on you. Go ahead. Go ahead. What is this function? Thoughts, guys? If you don't know, say you don't know. I'm happy to hear that, but I don't know whether you know. Annam, do you know Annam? Help me, Annam.
Is it the G, you're talking about the G of x equals,
Yeah. 1 by
okay.
2 times h of x. What happens here? If you don't know, I am
Is
happy.
it like
Oh,
a vertical
it dilates.
compression? Or like a
Vertical
shrink?
compression, yes. This is a vertical compression because h of x, the y value, is multiplied by a half. Okay, when y value gets multiplied by a half, it's a vertical compression by half. Any questions? So here the process would be whatever y value you're going to multiply by a half. Any questions? You'll be able to draw the graph, right, guys? Can I move on? You have to write out this and then draw the function. Can I move on? Amira, can I move on? Okay, good. Okay, the next one, let's try this one. So this will be 0, 3, and then 1, 0, 1, 0. Okay, let's do this. How about this? 2 times means what is that? So what is the
X value is multiplied by 2.
what?
Each x value is multiplied by 2.
X value, y value?
Y value.
Y value gets multiplied by a 2. So how can I call it? How do I call it? What is it called? Vertically, what happens? Y value changes means it's a vertical change. So if you multiply by 2, what happens? Vertical
Dilation.
stretch. Correct.
Yeah.
Vertical stretch by 2. Makes sense, guys? You have to draw the graph finally. Okay, can I move on? Okay. Advait and Krishiv, I hope you're not talking to each other during the class and making it fun. Okay, because I really want you to focus. That's the only intent. Okay, so let's move on. Now, how about this? Let's do this. How about this? How about this? We did not discuss the domain and range. That you do it at home. Okay, how about this? Can we try this? How about this? What is this? It is inside the parenthesis. So what type of change is this? Which coordinate changes how? Ananya, we are continuing to discuss this, Ananya. Go ahead.
The x coordinate changes.
Yeah, the x coordinate changes. But how am I? What is the process? X is always confusing. It wants us to confuse. It's always the opposites. So what do? What is that? Horizontal. So x coordinate changes. It's a horizontal change. So horizontal, what is that? X value, should I multiply by what?
Oh, the reciprocal of.
Yes, multiply by the reciprocal. So horizontal, if you, okay, so the factor is going to be half. I have to multiply by half. Which coordinate? It's going to be the x coordinate. X coordinate is going to be multiplied by half. X is always the opposite. If it is inside the parenthesis, any multiplication, you are going to find the reciprocal. So since it is half, it is a compression by half. Any questions? Similarly, if I have half here, what happens? Then it is a horizontal stretch by 2. You got it? The reciprocal of this is 2. Horizontal stretch by 2. 2 times whatever x is in here. 2 times minus 1. 2 times 0. 2 times 2. So you're going to multiply the x coordinate by 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. Make sense? Can I move on? Amira, you're with me? Okay. Now let's do some combinations. If you didn't understand, you're going to let me know. Combinations, let's make it a little harder. Okay, one thing is the transformations are not commutative. Transformations cannot be, meaning you cannot change the order in which you transform. Okay, so first and foremost, you will look at compression or stretch. Second, you look at reflections. Third, you will look at transformations. Any questions? Translations. First, you look at compression or stretch. Second, you look at reflections. Third, you look at translations. Okay. Now, a combined transformation, I'll give you 2 combined transformations. Once we finish that, we can move on. Okay. Let's see. 2 combined transformations I'll give you. How about this? This one should be easy. If you can give me a verbal description directly, then I'll just move on. Please send it in chat for this one. Each of you, I want to understand how many of you understood. Can we try? I can wait to see whether you understood or not.
Miss Priya, how are we supposed to answer the question again?
Just verbally tell me what is the transformation. Verbally tell me what is the transformation there. If you don't know, absolutely fine. Just let me know. Let's try this one. Go ahead, guys. Advait, yeah, great. Shift right one up. Correct. nice. Krishav right, Dhruv right. Annam correct. To the right by 1 unit, ma. Shifted right by 1 unit, up 3 units. Can I move on, guys? One last one. We'll do a combined. This is going to be a little hard, but let's see. If you can do, that's great. If you had trouble in the last one, you have to let me know, guys. Okay, how about this? This is the one that we are going to do and finish this. How about this? What do you all think about this? Vinisha, did you follow the last one, ma?
Yeah, I did.
Okay, good. This is seriously a tad bit difficult. Who wants to try? Dhruv, you want to try, Dhruv?
Well, it goes 3 units to the left,
What is it,
and
ma?
it goes 3 units to the left, right?
It's a little bit of a tricky one, right? Okay. Suppose, okay, here, does it go to the left because of the plus you're saying, huh?
That's what I got left.
Okay, why don't we derive that through this process? First, what are the transformations? What should I do with which coordinate? Let me fill the old table. This one is a little bit tricky, okay? So let's do the initial table.
Miss Priya, I kind of thought it was left too.
Good, nice. Okay, if you all got it, okay, left. Here, let's see.
Wait, yes, Priya.
How did you, yeah, see, just left, but how did you transform is what I want to know. Yes, ma?
It's
Does it
over the
go?
y-axis.
It goes over the x-axis, right? It reflects over the x-axis.
Reflect over, is it
Yeah,
x-axis? See,
I
the
thought it
x,
was y.
yeah, x-coordinate negated, right? X-coordinate negated, so it is a reflection on y-axis. Does that make sense?
I
Yeah,
thought
yeah.
it's the x-axis
The
or the
x-axis.
x coordinates. Oh, yeah.
You see what
Oh,
I
wait,
mean?
no. Because,
See, what is this? Tell me.
oh, yeah.
X
I
coordinate
guess.
negated, right? But the
Mm-hmm.
thing is, x coordinate negated. But then something as well happened. So when you transform this negation inside, right? Let's do it like this. It becomes like this, right? So basically, x coordinate negated, and what happened? It moves to the
It moves to the right.
okay. We I see. This is where I really want to go with the go with this process. So basically the transformation is minus x minus 3. Okay. See, when you distribute this minus, it is a minus x minus 3. So let's go ahead and do this one exercise for this alone. I really want you to figure that out rather than coming up with answers. Minus 3, 1, 0, 0. This one is a 1. We'll quickly do. Okay, so the process is, what is the process? X coordinate is going to undergo all the changes. Okay, the y coordinate, they've already written it for us. Okay, so the first thing is x coordinate is going to be negated. What happens? Minus of minus 3, minus of minus 1, 0, and then minus of minus 1, then and then minus of 2, minus of 3. I'm going to negate the x coordinates and then do what? Subtract 3 again. Subtract 3, subtract 3, subtract 3, subtract 3, subtract 3. So what happens to my x? Becomes 0. Then what happens?
Minus 2.
What no? I'm getting a minus 2, right?
Yeah. And then
Minus 2, yeah. Minus 3, then
minus 2.
minus 4, minus 5.
Minus
Is it
4.
correct? Correct, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Minus 2 is a minus 3. and then minus 3. What? Minus 3. Made a mistake. 0 comma 0. Then minus 2 is a minus 3. And then minus 3 is a 1. Minus 3 is a 1. And then minus 3 is a 1. Minus 4 is a 0. Minus 5 is a 1. Minus 6 is a 0. You tell me what happens, guys. I'm prepared to listen. So definitely, what happened first?
It shifted 3 units to the right and then went over the y-axis.
Nice. So it was a reflection. First we'll write the reflection I told you, right? Reflection on y-axis. And then the graph moved to the
Left 3.
No, it's the right. Sorry. Wait, no, it's the left. My bad.
left or right, guys?
Left.
It got reflected.
Wait, doesn't it first move right 3 and then go over the y-axis?
Always the reflection comes first when you write it down. Reflected on the y-axis. Y-axis moved to the left 3 units. Okay, so it went down, went up, came down, and then on the y-axis, and then I just want to confirm on that. Yeah, we were correct. Reflection on the y-axis, and what did you all say?
Left 3.
Correct. Any questions in this? It was a difficult one, but how can you first understand? Please distribute and find out what transformations it made. You negated x and then subtracted 3 on the x coordinate. Naturally, it moved to the left. Make sense? When they combine this negative inside the parenthesis, there's always confusion. You should be very clear of what we are doing. If you follow the process, you won't have a problem. Okay, guys, for next week, if you clearly do this exercise and come, it's so easy to do it on the parent function. Same thing we'll follow on the parent functions. Parent functions you've already learned, right? I will not go to any other parent function other than what you have learned. Okay, what are the parent function? Linear, quadratic, square, square root, absolute value, cube, cube root. That's all we'll do. Okay, within these parent function, we'll do all the types of transformations and see, and there will be a combination of 2-3 transformations. So unless you're clear with this procedure, it's very difficult to follow what we are going to do. Okay, and the same process we'll follow for every function throughout the year. Okay, slowly they'll give one by one function through the year. We will do it at the start in summer itself. That way you have a good foundational skills. Okay, any questions for me? You can literally now after this you can do it on any parent function by yourself. You will write the coordinates for the parent function xy and then see what is the transformation. Here it is minus x minus 3. So what is that? X gets negated and then subtracted by 3. All happens on the x. Fill this transformed table and then write your verbal description. Okay, once you do that, this table should help you to graph the function. From the graph, you can write the domain and range. You'll never make mistakes if you follow the same process. Any questions?
I had a question.
Yes, please tell me.
I don't understand why we multiply x by the reciprocal.
You don't understand why we multiply by the reciprocal. Okay. Because
Hi, Auntie.
hi, you're going to wait for a few minutes, ma.
Okay.
When it is inside, right? If you don't have doubts, you can log off, guys. Algebra 2, guys, if you don't have any questions, you can log off.
Bye, Miss Priya.
Bye.
Miss Priya.
Bye, guys. I'll clarify your doubt, Annam.
Bye, Miss Priya.
1 second, Anam. I have my theory. Uh, X is always the opposite, right? Subtract 3, add, opposite we do, right?
Mm-hmm.
Emma? See, that's because, wait, let me show you what. I just want to. Okay. Okay. When you think about it, right? You know, vertical compression is the same as horizontal stretch, right?
Vertical compression is this. Yeah.
Grade 7 and 8 kids, please wait. Okay. Algebra 2, I'm wrapping up. You know that, right? Vertical compression is the same as horizontal stretch. You hear me?
Mm-hmm.
What is vertical compression? கொஞ்சம் பேசி தரீங்களா?
It gets shorter.
1 minute, ma. Okay, what is this? This is a horizontal. This is a vertical. Vertical
Compression.
So let's say there is a graph like this. Okay, you're vertically compressing the graph. Vertically compressing the graph. What happens to the graph? Vertically compressing means you're pushing up and down. What you're doing?
So it's getting flatter.
It's getting flatter, correct? Horizontally, what happens?
It's getting
See
wider.
this way. See, it's getting wider, right?
Mm-hmm.
So horizontally, it's a stretch, correct?
Yes.
Vertically, it's a compression. You're with me, right?
Yeah.
So vertically, if you multiply by 1 by 3, what is the same horizontally?
Vertically. Oh.
It's
3.
a multiply by 3. You see what I mean?
Yeah.
That is why the horizontal axis is always confusing in the sense, what happens to x? Let's say the x has, you see, it becomes wider. It's a horizontal, meaning vertical compression is the same as horizontal stretch, we are saying, right? So 1 by 3 f of x, if it moves in, 1 by 3 f of x is there. But if it moves inside, it becomes f of 3 or 3x. You see what I mean?
Yeah.
Do you get what is
Yeah. Yeah. So then if it's outside of the f of x, it changes the y values.
Yeah, outside. This is directly the y axis, it will change. But if it comes inside, right, you see, it will be the opposite. You will have to find the reciprocal and then apply.
Okay. So we only do. Okay. Yeah.
You see what happened? No, another thing I want to show you here. This original graph, right? When it moved, see what happened to the x? It got multiplied. X stretched. You see?
Mm-hmm.
You got it, huh? What happened to the y? What happened to the y?
The y is
Was
getting.
multiplied by 1 by 3. Y came down.
Yeah.
So the thing is, if it is a horizontal since we assume vertical compression is the same as a horizontal stretch, right? Considering both as equivalent, when you see here inside, right, this is always taken as 1 by b. Whatever factor change you apply on the x coordinate will be 1 by of whatever you 1 by b is your factor. Here 1 by b is equal to a 3. So b will be equal to 1 by 3. B is your horizontal factor. Am I making sense? No.
Yeah, but
Not-
also if we don't take the reciprocal of b when it's outside of the function, and but
When it is
but
outside of the function, it is a of f of x. A is your factor. Thanks.
yeah, but horizontal stretch is also the same as horizontal compression. So why don't we take the reciprocal of both?
Vertical compression is the same as horizontal stretch.
Yeah. So, but you're telling me that when it's inside the parentheses, you take the reciprocal, but if it's the same thing, why don't you take the reciprocal when it's outside of the thing?
Oh,
It's okay, I'll just remember to do.
no. I want to clarify that. No. When you come back to next class, will you log in few minutes before for me? No, I
I'll
want to
try.
clarify this. I hear you. I understood what you're asking. Meaning, if it is the other way, why not we do on the why you're asking, right?
Mm-hmm.
Give me some time. I'll clarify that for you. Otherwise, can I call you and clarify?
Yeah.
Are you free tonight?
Yeah.
I'll call you. I'll call you to your dad's mobile.
Okay.
I'll get that clarified for you soon after this class. Make sense?
Okay.
But nice
Okay,
questions.
thank
I like
you.
it. Bye.
Bye.
Bye, ma'am. How are you all guys?
I'm
Good. How are
good.
you?
Good.
Good. How are you?
Good. How was the homework?
It was good.
Did I give any test to you all?
No.
You're all happy. Okay. Okay. Did you understand? Did you have any questions on the homework? Samyukta?
No.
But I missed you last week, right? In class?
You waved back.
Yeah, I wasn't here last class.
But were you able to follow the class?
Yeah, I finished the homework.
Did you have to watch the recording or you finished by yourself?
I watched the recording.
Did that help you in doing the homework?
Yeah, a little bit.
Then did you have questions? Ilema, then did you have questions on the homework?
No. Some of them were confusing, but I figured it out.
Okay, I see. Okay, good to know. How do you figure it out usually? No, I'm just
I
curious.
usually just I usually just read the question again.
Oh, I see. Oh, I see. So you watch the recording. If you don't understand, you just read the question again. You get it?
Sometimes.
Okay. Okay. Adrit, any question? Arnav, any questions?
I don't have any questions.
Kanishka? Okay, somebody has a question on 65.
I have a question.
I'm going to open. If you have questions, I'm going to open that.
Okay. Mine is 64 and 72.
Sure, ma'am. You see? $64 and $72. 64. What is your question, Pranavi? What is your question, ma?
64.
Mm-hmm.
I've been having like a lot of doubts on like how to do like this, like 9 squared 72 and stuff. I didn't know how to do it.
Yeah. This
I
one
don't
is this,
understand.
right? This one is Prime factorization. Write down the prime factorization.
Wait.
Pranavi, are you following?
Yeah.
I just wrote out the prime factorization of the number inside.
Oh, okay.
Now pick out one.
So it's 2 and then 2. So it's 4 and then 2 inside.
Yeah. Minus 3. Pick out the 3. Then pick out the 5.
Oh,
Minus
okay.
18, it is 36 root 2 minus 9 root 2 plus 30 root 2. Make sense?
Okay. Yeah.
Combine all of this because everything is root 2, right?
And then how do you like
Treat it like 36x minus 9x plus 30x. How do you do?
I don't know.
66 minus 9x, right?
Oh, okay.
You got it?
Yeah.
What is 66 minus 9x?
57. Okay.
Got it?
Yeah.
Any other questions?
I had a question on
Okay, now I have somebody asking for 65.
72.
Let me finish 65, okay? Okay, so here you should follow PEMDAS. You should follow PEMDAS. Whatever is inside the parenthesis, 3 minus 2, 1, 1 plus 4, 5. So this is 5 squared divided by first multiplication. 8 minus 7 is 1, 1 cube. What happens? Square root of 5 times 5 divide by 1. 1 can be 1 times 1. So you can pick this out 1. You can pick 1 out of here. Answer is 5. Any questions?
No.
Is the answer there? I don't see the answer. Yeah,
Yeah,
D,
it is. It's D.
Okay. Any other questions?
No. I had I kind of had a lot of questions.
Yeah, go ahead.
On
It's
a lot of
okay, right?
Okay. 72.
72. What is your question?
I just I didn't understand
Area of a square
it-
is 800 square meters. How do you find the area of a square? How do you find the side of a square?
you divide by 4.
No, that's the perimeter. Area of a square is?
Oh, okay.
You find the square root of 800, right? So they are asking square root of 800 is between which two numbers? You know how to do?
Yeah, I know how to do that. Now it
Okay.
just makes it.
That's good. What else?
88.
88. 88.
Mm-hmm.
88. Okay. This one you know or you don't know? Square root of...
I don't know.
Huh? 7 lies between its two integers. Find a square number, find a square number. 9 and a 4. 4 is less than 7 is less than 9. Take square roots everywhere. 2 is less than square root of 7 is less than 3. So it lies between 2 and 3.
Wait, could you?
Did you attend last class?
Yeah, I did.
Did you go over the recording?
No.
I
think I didn't understand one of the problems, and I went back to the recording to see if you explained it in.
Yeah, this I explained, right? The previous week.
Yeah, but I kind of forgot how to do it.
Then did you watch the recording?
No.
I really want you to watch the recording, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so tell me what is your question here? See, if you don't understand, please watch the corresponding recording. This was taught 2 weeks back. Go ahead.
How do you how do you know what to get 4 and a 9? How did you get it?
You have to pick up square numbers immediately less than 7 and greater than 7. That is why I asked you to memorize squares. Square numbers are 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36.
49.
Yep. So these are the square numbers.
Okay.
So 7, before 7 and after 7, you should pick 4 and 9. Did you get that clarified?
Yeah.
What else?
91.
91. Guys, we'll be patient, guys, okay? We really want everybody to understand everything as the target. So, how did you do this, Bhavisha or Samyukta? One of you can be the teacher, if you know.
I got this one wrong,
You
so
got this one wrong. So, why don't we discuss? Samyukta, you want to show us? Or Adrit, you want to show us? One of you can show us. Main thing here, guys, is 2 root 2, right? Samyukta, did you do ma?
Yeah, I did this. I think I got this one wrong.
It's more of a guesswork, guys. So I'll tell you. What is square root of 2? Where does square root of 2 lie?
Between 1 and 2.
Oh, you already got it. Square root of 2. Let's write out 2. So it should be 1 and 4. Take less. Do square root on all. 1,
1 and
2. So 1 and 2. So it should be between 1 and 2. That's great. Square root of 2 is. To be very precise, between 1 and 2. Is it between 1 and 1.5 or 1.5 and 2? Okay,
1.5. 1 and 1.5.
Wait, Miss Priya.
1 and 1.5.
Isn't
Great. So it's
wait,
between
never
1,
mind.
yeah, it's between 1 and 1.5.
And
That's
there's
it.
only one answer. Wait.
Yeah, well, let's see. It's between 1 and 1.5, right? So I will do 2 times 1, 2 times 1.5. Where am I ending? It's between these two values, right? So it can be 2 or it can be 3. My answer should lie between 2 and 3. Which one lies between 2 and 3? Not this, not this. It should lie between, oh my goodness, this is so hard. You see here, they have given 2.5 and 2. That's crazy, guys. They've also given 2.75. Okay, how do we determine this? Let's see. Okay, square root of 2, it's not enough to say that it lies between 1 and 1.5. Square root of 2 lies very near to 1 or very near to 2.25. Absolutely okay if you go wrong, but
Near to 1.
why do you think? Actually, I wanted 2 to be plotted. See, I wanted 2 to be plotted. 1, I have always written the square. 1, 4, 2.25. This is 1.5 square, this is 2 square, this is 1 square. Now, I have a 2 in here. So, 2 is near this or near this?
2.25.
2.25.
It's near 1.5. You got it?
Oh, okay.
So, my answer should be near 3 rather than 2.
So it's
This
D.
is answer D. Can one of you check the answer? I don't know the answer. Guys. One of you please feel free to check the answer and tell me.
It is, yeah, it's D.
D. Okay. So we are good, right? It's a little bit of thought process. Okay. First I found out square root of 2 is between 1 and 1.5. But that was not enough because if I put 1 and 1.5, the lowest and the highest, if I multiply by 2, I get a 2 and a 3. So I thought any point between 2 and 3 is my answer. But there are 2 points between 2 and 3. So that's not enough. I need to be more specific. So how specific? I need to find 2. It's towards the 1.5. So it should be inclined towards the 3. This is the, you got it? So it's a little bit of thinking process. Okay, any other questions?
And I have one more.
Yeah, tell me.
The last question, 100.
The last question, 100.
I didn't understand.
Why? Between 9 and 10 there are how many intervals? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. A whole number 1 is split at 1 by 10 part, 1 by 10 part, 1 by 10. Each is a 1 by 10.
Oh, and that's a 9 by 10?
Yeah. But wait.
And then you just like...
How did you do this, guys? This is a 9.
I didn't know.
How did you all do this? Who did this?
I did it.
I
Okay.
did it.
Okay, how did you do that?
Well, I picked C because, well, I know pi is like 3.1
Good
something.
job. 3
And then
point.
yeah, if you do like 3 times 3, it's 9, and then 9.9 is kind of close to
Good
9.
job. So if you put 3 times 2 itself, it shows you it's somewhere near 9. For this one,
Yeah.
3 threes are 9, 9 threes are 27. It's near 27. Whereas this is definitely not square. You have to get the answer as 9.9. So here, square root of 18.8. No, that's not 9.9. 9.9, if you square it, you get 18, meaning you have to square root it, right? Meaning 18 square root will lie between what two numbers? Let's put out 18. The below number is,
It lies between 4 and 5.
yeah, it lies between 4 and 5. We want a 9.9. So this is not the answer. Pi square is 3 times 3, 9, which is near this. Makes sense? This will be 27 point. Do you get it?
Yeah.
Adrit, are you with me?
Yeah. I'm just a little tired, so.
Okay. Okay. 1 second, guys. I really want to understand. Okay, you're all going to take. I just want to be sure of what we are going to do. I had my. Let me go to get my lesson plan. What a mess. Okay, so we are good now. See, basically they start for you with visual representation of discussion on rational numbers is what you're going to do. Okay, how good are you with fractions, decimals, all that I need to see. Okay, 1 second, guys. I'm not getting to, oh, see, in your grade level, right, we do 7th grade math and 8th grade math, okay? I would like to do some 8th grade math, but not right now. Right now, I would like to concentrate on what we have. See, this is a good one, but I don't know how good are you with this. Let's see this one. Do you know this? Would you be able to answer these? I don't know where each of you are, guys, because a couple of you are new to me in this group. So let me first share my screen with you. I want to understand where each of you are. Would you be able to answer 21 and 22? The diagram, if you want me to draw the diagram once more, I can really draw. Okay. Let me draw the diagram once because it's so small. This is the same diagram in there. Okay, they have given something like N, and then they have given Q here, they have given R here, they have given D point here, they've given a C point here, they've given a B point here, maybe. They're asking which point represents a whole number.
But it says
There's also
A.
point A
Yeah.
in the section called N.
In the section
Can I write it on the board?
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
Good. Thank you, Izzy.
Huh?
Now, which one is a whole number?
I think that's kind of obvious.
Kind of obvious. Oh, good. Good to hear. Which one is it?
It's A because it's in the section of,
Which
whole
is the,
numbers.
okay, which is the whole number section? Which wheel is the whole number?
The
The
smallest
second-
one.
The
No,
smallest.
Not the
Isn't it-
smallest one.
that's natural now.
Yeah, n is a set
Oh.
of natural numbers means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
It's
Whole
the
number
second.
starts with
Oh, whole numbers
0.
has a 0. Yeah,
So
right. My
whole
bad.
number is here. That's why whole numbers include 0 and all of the natural numbers. You got it?
Mm-hmm.
Then what is this? Samyukta, you want to say what is this?
Integers.
Okay. Bhavisha, you want to say what is this?
Rationals.
Rationals are mentioned using Q. That you need to know. In mathematics, rational numbers are referred using Q. Natural numbers are referred using N. And what is this? R. What does that mean?
Real number.
Real numbers. You got it? Real numbers can be rational or irrational. Can I move on? How about this?
Yes.
Using the same diagram, which point is an irrational number?
D.
D. Good job. So you guys know, but you know what? We are going to work on something else to see where we stand. Do you all know how to do this one? Teeny tiny bit complicated. Let's see. Go ahead and do this one.
Okay.
Take your time, but let me know. Do guys, and let me know. Mm.
Oh, do we label it as question 1 or question 7?
Your question 7. Mm.
There's a couple of like exams left.
Okay.
Miss Priya.
Yeah, go ahead, ma.
I got an answer and I double checked, but it's not on the thing. So could you explain it like after?
Maybe the question key is wrong. You think? Send me the answer. Let me see.
Okay.
I don't deny. Meaning that
No,
can
it's
be.
probably me that's wrong.
Pranavi, you know the class, right? Just feel free to send it. So we'll know where you went wrong, or it might be a problem with the key. Don't worry about it. Sometimes you have to be that confident in saying no, the key is wrong. It's okay. I can do it as well. Let me get some answers and do it.
Oh my God, kid. Sorry.
you guys get it? I'm waiting for some answers at least. Pranavi, do you want to do it on the board?
Sure. But it might be wrong because I don't know what the answer is.
Yeah, Bhavisha, Arnav, Adrit, I think you guys got it. It's okay, ma. Pranavi, can you model and show? It's okay to go wrong. Does not matter. Please do it on the board.
Uh,
You think you can try?
yeah. Wait,
Yeah.
it keeps disappearing.
Oh, you know what? I think it's my problem. Let me see. Wait a minute. Go ahead. Now you should not disappear. Go ahead.
Oh, now it all reappeared.
Yeah, I'm
Okay.
sorry.
It's okay, it's okay. Wait.
Kanishka, 4/9 is not in the answers, right, ma?
So, I think you have to multiply 4 by 12 times minus 9 by 4.
Where is 4/12? Please, let's go step by step.
No, I said 5 by 12.
5/12. Okay, divide by, what is this minus 2 1 by 4?
Minus 9 by 4.
Minus 9 by 4, that's correct. Plus
Oh,
0.5. So what do you do
I
first?
forgot
The division should be done first.
that you
So
multiply.
keep change flip. Hey, Arnav,
Okay, I got my mistake. I didn't
go ahead and redo and send the answer. Arnav, I need to have your answer, and Kanishka, Izzy, I need to get your answer.
Can I
I'm
write the rest?
solving it.
Can I write the rest of it on the board?
No, ma, please.
Okay.
I want somebody who does not understand to continue. You are going to send it in chat, and thank you for understanding. Go ahead. Really appreciate it, Pranavi. Go ahead.
Miss Priya, was my answer correct?
Yes, I did respond. Did you see my response?
No, I didn't.
Means, did I not give you a heart? I thought I gave you a heart. Let me see.
Oh, wait, now I can see it.
Okay, I thought I gave you.
Okay.
Arnav, that's right. Izzy, why you don't know Izzy? Can you do it on the board?
Yeah, I don't know either because I tried redoing it with how I understand and I don't get
No
it.
problem. Izzy is
Yeah,
going to do
I'll do it on the board. Or
Yes,
I'll
please.
try to at least.
That's fine, Izzy. You know the class. Go ahead.
Okay.
Do it on the board.
Okay, just a second. Oops.
Go ahead.
Can't write. Oh, yes, I can. Never mind.
What did you do? I wrote the next step,
So-
right? See, you can proceed from here. Quick, come on.
Oh, oops. I didn't say that. Okay.
No problem. Go ahead. Because I don't want everybody to wait. Go ahead.
Okay. Wait. Oh my God. I'm so confused.
Tell me what to write.
I don't know.
5/2. Division should be changed to Kanishka?
Yeah, to multiplication.
And then what happens?
And then it should be -4/9. Yeah, okay. And then yeah.
Now what do I do? Minus 20 by 18
Yeah.
plus 0.5.
Plus 0.5.
Now what do I do?
You
Minus
have to
10 by 9
divide. Oh.
plus 0.5, right?
Yeah, and to turn it into a decimal, you have to put long division, and so you put 9 on the inside and 10 on the outside.
Don't convert to decimal, guys.
Just convert to a fraction.
Because
It is a
answer is
fraction.
all in fractions.
No, like.
Oh, the other thing. Oh my,
Yeah.
my bad.
Go ahead. How will
I
you
kind of
convert
forgot
it
how
to
to convert it.
0.5? How to convert it to a fraction?
I kind of forgot.
Multiply by 10, divide by 10.
Oh, right.
5 by 10, right?
Yeah.
So that is plus 5 by 10. How do you add these two? Bring common denominators. 90 is your common denominator, right?
Mm-hmm.
So that gets you minus 145, right? Minus 100
Oh, yeah.
plus 45 by 90, right? So
Yeah.
65 by 90 minus, is it 65? No, minus 55 by 90, right? Divide
Yeah.
by 5, divide by 5. Minus, oh, I'm getting a different answer. 11 by,
I think you might have to like simplify or something like that.
Miss Priya,
mm-hmm.
I know where I went wrong.
The thing is, we didn't do the last one. Oh, we did, right? Let me see. Minus 11 by 18. So wrong. 1 minute, guys. Let me go ahead and do it quickly. What did I do? 5 by 12 times, this is 4 are 8, 9, 9 by 4, right? Minus 9 by 4 plus 0.5, right? All of them have gotten the correct answer already. So we should be able to get it. See, I will never, when you want to multiply fractions, Bhavisha and Samyukta, what do you do to multiply these two?
You just multiply it.
Multiply them across.
I don't want you to multiply them cross. First, I need you to see whether you can simplify this. Can you simplify this? Any numerator with any denominator can be simplified. Any numerator with any denominator. If I multiply divide or multiply a numerator, same thing I have to do in one denominator. That's all. Can I do that? Is it new to you? It is new to you, but this is the best way to solve. So you can
5 by 4.
Oh wait, I think I've heard of this before.
Yeah, you have to do this way. So you can divide by 3. So this becomes 3 and 4. Now it is so much simplified. You won't get big numbers. Minus 15 by 16 plus 0.5. Right? Minus 15 by 16 plus 5 by 10. Or 1 by 2.
Or you could do 8 by 16.
What, ma?
You could do 8 by 16.
Yeah, I can do 8 by 16. Yeah, that's a good idea. She's saying
Yeah, and then after I did that, I got
0.5 can be
minus
converted
7.
to 8 by 16, she says. What happens? That is minus 7 by?
Yeah, that's what I got. And then it's not even an answer on there.
Wait. See, this is 1 by 2, right? Oh, that's 0.5 you're saying, huh? Okay.
It's like the same thing, 1 by 2 and 8 by 16.
Yeah. Minus 7 by 7 by?
16.
Okay, wait. Oh, wow. 1 minute, wait. 5 by 12. What is this? Such a small problem. Wait. Multiply by minus 9 by 4 plus 0.5, right? So when you multiply this together, 0.5 is 5 by 10 or 1 by 2 minus 15 by 16 plus, so 16. So this can be converted to 8 by 16. Yeah.
Yeah.
How did you guys get, guys?
You have to flip the 9 by 4.
Oh, I didn't flip it, huh?
Yeah, you didn't flip
So
it.
sad. Sorry, ma. I didn't see. 5 by 12 divide by minus 9 by 4 plus 0.5, right? So 5 by 12. What a good catch. Thank you, ma. Minus 4 by 9 plus 0.5. Okay, Pranavi, see, we didn't flip it.
Mm-hmm.
So 3, This is 5 by minus 27 plus 1 by 2. So 54 is your denominator. Minus 10 plus 2, 2s are 4, 7, 27. So 17 by 54 is what? B is the answer.
Oh, after I did like minus 7 over 16, I fixed it, and then I did the adding part wrong.
I honestly forgot to flip it. Good, Bhavisha. Can I move on? Interesting.
Yeah.
Let's move on. How about this? I had more of this. Do you know absolute values? Let me see how many of you know absolute
Yeah.
values.
An absolute value, yeah.
Yeah.
Go ahead and do this. I was working on a test for you guys.
Do we put number 9 for this one?
Yeah, you can put number 9 for this one. Let me know what you guys get.
I sent my answer.
Mm-hmm. No, I'm not getting proper answers from everybody. I don't think the class is at sync because last problem, Kanishka, did you answer?
I'm still solving.
Kanishka, you muted and talking now.
I'm doing it now. Almost done.
I really want answers from every one of you, which I feel I'm not getting. I'm a little off. I'm not sure why I didn't get it.
I put my answer.
Samyukta and Bhavisha, you both have different answers. Oh yeah, one of you got it right. So Adrit, I think you got it right. Samyukta, you might want to check, ma.
Wait, is mine correct?
Yeah, I think so, Adrit. Hey Arnav, what is that answer, Arnav?
I did the
You
absolute
cannot
value.
send the, yeah, you got the absolute value, and after that you have to multiply, right?
Wait, Miss Priya, is my answer correct?
Oh, I forgot.
Did you multiply?
No.
Then how can you send the answer without that?
I just did the absolute value of it. That's it.
That is not enough, right? Multiply.
Yeah.
How will you multiply? I said you have to cancel numerator denominator. 7 times 1, 7 times 2. Now you can do minus 16 by 3. Where did you make a mistake, Samyukta?
Miss Priya,
Yes,
can I go to the restroom?
Wait,
you can go and
Miss
come.
Priya.
Yes, ma.
I put minus 1 over 3. Does that still count?
Yeah,
That's
minus
what I did.
3 is the same thing as this, right? What is this question? It's a mixed number. This is a improper fraction. Anything?
Oh, I just think I did the simplifying wrong.
Okay. You'll get used to. Let me go over more simplification then. Okay. 2 by 5 times 25 by 6 times 25 by 9. What is the... no, I want one more. 1 by 18. What is the answer here? You can see, always take one numerator, one denominator. You can cancel. In the sense, you can simplify that. Always remember that and then do.
I feel like my answer is wrong. No, I guarantee my answer is wrong.
Miss Priya, what question number do we put it as?
1 second. I'll check.
Miss Priya, I guarantee my answer is wrong. I don't even know what I did wrong though. I'm just gonna like put it in.
Are you all sending your answers?
Well, I need to know what question number to put.
Oh my god.
9.
10, 10, 10, 10, 10. 10. That was 9.
Oh, 10. I just sent 9. My bad.
That's okay.
Oh.
That is not easy. What is this, Issy? Are you using a calculator?
No.
Then how did you get that? Oh my
That's my work.
goodness. That's not it. We don't multiply like this. I said you have to use a numerator and denominator to cancel out. I'm proud of you, Izzy, though, but you should. But first, analyze how to. Good job, Avisha. Analyze how to cancel. Good job, Pranavi. How to cancel the numerator with the denominator. That's the smart way of doing things. See, 25, 25. 25 is in the numerator, 25 is in the denominator. Divide by 25, divide by 25. What happens? Both of that will become 1, 1. Right?
I see.
9 in the numerator, 8 in the denominator. Right?
I see.
Easy, right?
Yeah.
2 in the numerator, 3 in the denominator. What will happen? What should come here, Kanishka?
1 and
1 and
3.
3. So what happens? Numerator all are ones. 1 times 1 times 1 times 1 times 1. 5 times 3 times 1 times 2. So easy, right?
Yeah.
Bhavisha, did you get it, ma? Did you get it? That's a cute brother. Can
Thank
we
you.
Okay. Guys, did you get it? You have to know to cancel. That is the best way of doing things nicely.
I thought my answer.
In one of the steps, I canceled one too many zeros, so instead of 1/30th, I got 1/3.
Oh, I see. Okay.
Yeah.
That's okay. Can I go ahead?
Yeah.
How about this? How about this? Do you know how to do this one? Let's see. Evaluate the expression.
Wait, is there a minus in front of the 2?
Let me write it down, ma. I'm so sorry if it was not visible.
It's okay.
How about this? Is it okay?
Yeah, that's better. Thank you.
So A is minus 217 by 20. Guys, are you all learning new things? Just like every class you should learn something. If not, you have to talk to me. if I am not talking to you, then I believe you're right fit in the class. Okay, if I feel you're not fitting into the class, I'll immediately talk to your parents. Kanishka, you are so quiet. I really want some answers from you, you know. Thank you.
Which number do we put it as?
What more?
Do we put it as 11?
Oh, sorry, Pranavi. You're so amazing.
I sent my answer.
Izzy, there is no such 1 by 17 answer here, right?
Oh no, that was for the other question.
Ah,
That was for 10, sorry.
Arnav, whenever you send the answer, please write. Adrit, you keep changing your answers. Which one to believe?
It's the same answer, it's just that like I forgot to put the letter.
Check again.
Where is it? Wait.
You got it, but you misread something.
Oh, my bad.
What? You're changing the answer? Send
Yeah.
Pranavi. I would like to know what was it.
Okay.
I sent my answer now.
Okay, I'll check.
I sent it.
Wait, what?
Correct, guys. See, some of you are very good. Arnav and Kanishka, I'm going to wait. Izzy, I'm going to wait. What's going
Yeah,
on?
I'm doing it right now.
I put the answer.
Oh, you put the answer, Amma. Okay. Oh, good job, Prana, Arnav.
Miss Priya, can you do it on the
I
board
can definitely
for
do it on the board. That's what I want you to tell.
Thank
What
you.
did you do? What did you
I
do?
don't know. I don't even know at this point.
What is 2 1 by 4?
0.25.
What is 2 1 by 4 as a
2 point. Oh, as improper fraction.
Because answer is in fractions.
Ooh, right.
Minus 9/4.
Minus 9 over 4. Copy the minus. Then minus 3 by 5. But the 2 minuses will become plus 3 by 5. Now, Izzy, I want you to do. How to do the LCM part?
The what?
What is the least common multiple?
Oh.
Bring the denominator to what?
2. Oh, I know. There's 9 and there's 3. You can make it 1 and 3.
No. They both are in the numerator.
Ew.
20?
Yeah, 20.
20?
Correct. 20 is the least common multiple. So you have to multiply this fraction by 5, this fraction by 4. So minus 45 by 20 plus 12 by 20. That gets you to 33 by 20. Yeah, minus 33 by 20. So minus 33 by 20. How many holes are there? 1 hole. There is a minus 1 hole. And then 13 by 20, which is B. Make sense, guys?
Yeah.
Okay, now you have to be very good with this. These are only skills, right? I really want to work out a few application problems. Okay, a few application problems in the sense, let's see. I'm going to give you this. Let me see how you guys do. I don't know. Let's see. Because it all depends on your previous year's knowledge only. Okay, let's see. Right at this time, you're only, yeah, go ahead and do this one. These are the hardest problems in the homework. I'm just giving it to you and saying, if not, I'll have to manage the homework. Let me see.
Wait, for the question number, do we put 12, 13?
12, 13. Put 12 and 13. I don't know. I mean, I'm trying to gauge as well. Okay. Really depends on the last year's these. If you are not able to, I'll help you. A school club earns this much from each of the 8 ticket sales. The club pays this much for supplies and still owes this much from a previous event. The previous amount owed is represented as minus 27.40. What is the club's final balance?
Miss Priya, I sent my answer.
For which one?
For this one. The first one, I'm pretty sure, yeah.
Let me put question numbers, otherwise I'll get confused. How
Oh,
can
okay.
that be 82? The club earns okay, I don't know. Let's see.
Miss Priya, you told us to put 13 and
Okay,
12.
okay. Okay. Okay, I'll go with you. 13 and 12, did I say?
I'm pretty sure I got this wrong, but I think
Arnav, you're so close. Can you check? I can't say
Okay.
it's wrong, but it's not right, I think.
Okay.
Oh, wait, guys. Wait, I can do it and see. Do you want me to do it and see?
yeah.
Yes.
18.75 times 8 and then minus 4260 minus 2740. What is this? So basically this is what I'm getting. How did you get, guys, 82?
I didn't do it.
Hmm? 150 minus I got $80. I got $80.
For question 14.
Yeah.
Oh. I'm not sure.
Yeah,
How
me
did
too.
you
I
get
got $80 for question 14.
Samyukta? Yeah, Samyukta. Bhavisha also got 80, right? Bhavisha got 80, right, ma'am?
I'm pretty sure I didn't do anything. I think I did. Oh, what? Or what? One second.
A couple of you got 82. How did you get 82?
It's Priya, I forgot I did something wrong. I saw it.
Adrit, how did you get 82? Oh, you got 51. How did you get that?
I don't know. I think I made like. Wait.
Where are we doing incorrectly? I'm not sure.
Oh no, I'm pretty sure 82 is correct.
How did you get?
I multiplied 18.75 and I got
Wait, I forgot one step.
152. I got 152 for that.
Yeah, I got 80.
80 is right. Arnav, where did you make the mistake? 18.75 times 8 is what? 150.
I made my mistake in my multiplication.
Oh my goodness. You need to be careful, guys. Adrit, where did you make the mistake? The others, please proceed with 15.
I forgot to multiply.
Others, please proceed with 50. You forgot to multiply. Okay. Go ahead. What is the
Miss
next?
Priya, I have a question. I got 80 for question 12, but I'm forgetting, like, where were you supposed to multiply?
What, ma?
Like, where were you supposed to multiply on the first question?
Yeah, 18.75 from each of the 8 ticket sales.
Oh, yeah, never mind then.
You got it?
Yeah, I got 80, but I was just like forgetting where we were multiplying. I thought like I did something.
Yeah. Now you got it from each of the 8 tickets means 8 times 18.75. Then you subtract all the payments. Got
Yeah.
it?
Yeah.
Miss Priya, I forgot how to like discount like kind of like that 64 by 38. I kind of forgot.
Okay, we'll see. Kanishka, did you get 80?
Not really.
What is that you didn't get it?
It was just kind of confusing to me. I was
What?
reading it again and again. I was like,
Shout out, right? Club is earning 18.75 for each of the 8 tickets means 18.75 times 8. Do you know how to multiply, Kanishka?
yeah.
And then subtract. See, the club had to pay this much. Subtract that
Oh,
money.
I was doing 15.
And then the previous amount owed is minus 27. So subtract. So multiply this and subtract both. It's just decimals. Will you be able to do it at home?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay. Let's go ahead with the second one. A jacket costs $64. It's discounted by 3 by 8 of the original price.
You can.
It is discounted by 3 by 8 means what is the actual money it costs? 5 by 8 of 64 because the entire 64 is split into 8 parts. Okay, the discounted by 3 by 8 means it was sold for 5/8 of the original price. 5/8 of means multiply. So the actual cost was 5 by 8 times 84, which is what? $40. Do you get it? 5 by 8 times 64. What is it? $40. Then 5.75 was added to shipping. What is the total cost after the discount and shipping? 45.75. Any questions?
No.
I have a question.
Yes.
You know how you multiply 5 by 8 with 64?
Yeah.
I got the same answer as you, but I multiplied it by 3 by 8.
That's what I did too.
If you multiply by 3 by 8 of 64, you'll get a 24.
Yeah, and then 24 64 minus 24.
Good job, that's correct. Good job, that's correct.
Okay.
So basically, yeah. So basically, what do you do? What do you do basically? You can find out that 3 by
You find out 3 by 8 of 64 and then you subtract it by 64 and then
yes,
you add.
that is one way. The other way is just find out 5 by 8 times 64. Make sense?
Yeah.
Make sense?
Yeah.
Finding 5 by 8 times 64 is the same as finding 3 by 8 times 64 and then subtracting it from 64. What are you doing? What are you doing? 8 by 8 of 64 minus 3 by 8 of 64 you're doing. Instead what I said, you do 5 by 8 of 64, which is the same as this. You got it?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Okay. Can I give homework on all these?
Sure.
Do you want to break your heads and try?
Not really, but sure.
Right, meaning breaking your head means not in real sense. You'll have to spend some time. Okay? Okay, guys. Okay. I'll stop here, but I'll see you next week. And I think we'll have a test after that week, is what I'm thinking. Okay?
Okay.
Bye.
Bye, guys. See you all. Enjoy the summer.
Bye, Miss Priya.
Bye, Miss Priya.
Bye, guys.